What's up guys, it's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Detailing, specializing in auto detailing, ceramic coating, and window tinting. But today we have a special vehicle in, and it's very rare we get this type of vehicle, and it's crazy because we're on an island, right? But today we got a boat. This boat is getting ready to be sold, and the owner wants it nice and clean. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna polish up the hull, clean the inside a little bit, and get it ready for someone to purchase it. All right guys, so we just got done cleaning the boat. Now we're gonna do a nice wipe down, remove any, of course, excess water that's dripping down off the hull. And then from there, we're gonna get our polishers out and start buffing the gel coat. Rain did not stop. All right, so the rain finally stopped. We lost about an hour and a half of just waiting for the rain. But that's the thing when we do boats, because it's so large, it cannot fit in my garage. So now we're just gonna wipe it down just a little bit, quick wipe down, remove some of these excess water, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so it's hot, but we're getting stuff done. All right, guys, so we're about done with the boat detail. We are now applying a ceramic spray coating, which will protect at least up to 9 months. It also helps with the maintenance, so that way the salt water doesn't stick to the bottom of the hull. And then from there, we're gonna tidy it up, put everything that was inside the boat back inside, all its personal belongings, anything, tidy up the boat, finish it off, put some tire dressings, maybe wipe down the trailer, and then from there we're gonna call that a detail. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.